एवरीवन, नमस्ते और स्वागत है आप सबका मेरे चैनल पे। तो आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ मेरा हैलोवीन स्पेशल ये मरमेड लुक जो मैंने क्रिएट किया है। सो इफ यू लाइक टू वॉच द वीडियो देन विदाउट फर्दर अडू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड।
Met this 6-year-old child with this blank, pale, emotionless face, the blackest eyes, the devil's eyes.
When there is no more room than hell, the dead will walk the earth.
Even though you are a worthless, greedy lot.
Turn this light.
guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this Halloween tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below if you tried this tutorial and how it looked on you. Tag me on your pictures on Instagram. My social media handle will be in the description bar. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel down below. Also hit the bell icon so that you guys get notified of all my videos as soon as they are uploaded. My social media links will be in the description bar, so go follow me on Twitter and Instagram. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and until the next time, live long and prosper, my fellow Earthlings.